Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to create a double exposure effect in CapCut PC. Let's begin. First, navigate to the stock materials and add a white background to the timeline. Drag the first video onto the timeline and overlay it on the top layer. Click on the white background, select Freeze, and create a freeze clip. Adjust the duration to match the video. Click on the video, go to Video Remove BG, and click on Auto Removal to delete the background. Then go to Adjustment and fine-tune settings like saturation, lower contrast, and exposure. Now, drag the second video onto the timeline and overlay it on the top layer. Navigate to the Video Basics settings. Click on Blend, choose Overlay for the double exposure effect. Adjust the position as needed. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.